Hey my dudes, it's Caitlin, and today I'm filming another college day in my life. I know that you guys love these, and I'm really excited to try and film some more of them just because it's Vlogmas month. Sorry, my eyebrow's so offensive right now. Sorry I'm not gonna do Vlogmas, but I just feel like my life isn't interesting enough to like film every single day and share with you guys like what I do every day. I will post more towards this finals week and stuff. If you guys want a Vlogmas, go check out Brooke. And then Haley Schultz is also doing Vlogmas, so I'll link them in the description if you guys want college vlogs every day, and you guys can check them out and give them some love. As for an update from my last video, I will definitely give you guys one later in this video, so stay tuned for that. Thank you guys so much for all of your positive, encouraging comments on my last video. You don't know how much that meant to me. I literally can't even tell you how much that meant to me. I could literally cry talking about it, so we're gonna move on. As for today, you might have seen me get up at like 7:30, 8 a.m. and make breakfast and coffee. A girl went back to sleep until 11:30, so I am up now for good. I did have a class, but it was just review today because we do have an exam this week, even though it's finals week next week. And I didn't want to go to the review because I review better on my own. I didn't go to the review because I'm going to study all day today and review it on my own, and that's more productive for myself personally. And then I have a class later today that I'm actually not going to because you can only get 50 participation points total for the semester, no matter how many classes you attend. I already hit 50, so my roommate and I, we usually go together, and she's not going, I'm not going. We both hit 50 points, so I'm not going to classes today, but you guys are gonna get a crap ton of studying, and if this vlog is too short, I'll end up filming tomorrow too. So, sorry this intro is so long. Maddie and I are going to head out and go to the pavilion to go study, so you guys can come along with us. We might get Panera. I'm definitely getting coffee, and we're just gonna study. So I will keep you guys posted throughout the day, and I love you all. So let's just get into the video. Okay guys, so Maddie and I studied at the business library until like 3 o'clock. We did have a room reserved from 3 to 5, but Maddie is pretty sick right now, so we ended up just leaving because she didn't feel well. And I was going to paint, but I realized I left all my art supplies at home from the weekend, so I can't do that. That was gonna be my break from studying. So now I'm going to do a little bit more of my bee research, which is sort of like a break just because I don't really need to think very hard. It's like 4 o'clock now, and I'm gonna study. I'm not really sure when yet, but I'll just keep you guys posted. I'm having another cup of coffee because I'm freezing and sort of tired. Really shouldn't drink coffee this late, but what you gonna do? And yeah, I'll keep you guys posted. Okay guys, so we've been studying at the PAV since like 4 and it's like 9 right now. I applied for some scholarships. Like I started my application process and worked on my resume, and that was sort of to procrastinate studying organic chemistry. And then I studied some orgo and did some of my bee research, and now I'm going to start orgo again since I was procrastinating on it again. And yeah, I'll keep you guys posted. Hey guys, it's the next day. I didn't film the first half of the day, but I'm gonna film the rest of the day with all my studying and stuff. So I made coffee this morning, binged watched Victorious. Now I'm done with classes for the day. I do have a psychiatry appointment at 3:45, so I'm gonna go to that, and I'm gonna try and take you guys with me. I can't really film that much there, but you guys will get the gist of it. And then I can probably update you guys on how I'm doing after my psychiatrist appointment, because that would probably be a good time to do that. And then I will take you guys along with me studying tonight, and then that'll be this vlog. And then I'll film tomorrow and maybe Friday for another vlog for you guys this week. So that's my update for now, and let's just go to my psychiatry appointment.
Put it in my face. Can you at least?
You have fans. You have legit fans on my channel.
Are you recording?
Yes. What do you want to tell them?
I don't even know what to say. I don't like when you tell me when you're gonna record. I'd rather not know.
You're the one who asked. I didn't even tell you.
Ask. Feeling confident with myself. Now, finals are coming and my anxiety's here. And you recording is no, I can't. Kate, get it off me. Please.
I love you.
Bye.
Okay guys, before I end the video, I just want to give you guys a quick mental health update. So as you guys know, I am going through a heartbreak right now and some other things with my family, and I was really low when I posted my last video. I was so freaking low, and just making the video was a means to get my mind off of things and to keep me distracted. And I'm really happy to tell you guys that I'm feeling a lot better. I still feel sick to my stomach, and it's sort of hard to eat regularly, but my heart doesn't hurt anymore, and I'm just feeling a lot stronger now. I feel like in the past 10 days, I've become sort of a different person. I don't know how. I was talking with my psychiatrist yesterday, and she was like, you've made so much progress in these past 10 days. And I told her, I'm like, when I come back from break, I'm gonna be literally a new person, watch me. I feel like it was a good thing that happened, the breakup, but it's it was devastating, but I knew it needed to happen. It was just a slap in the face, the way that it did. And I don't know. I just know that without you guys, I wouldn't have gotten through the darkest of it. And I want to thank you guys from the bottom of my heart, because I read every single comment. I'm still responding to some of them, but I read every single one. And I care about you guys so much, and I can tell you guys care about me. And I literally can't express how much I appreciate you guys for commenting and giving me so much support on literally an emo, poorly filmed vlog. It just means the world to me. And I also want to say I'm so happy you guys enjoy people talking about their mental health on YouTube. I think that it's something we're really lacking in, and I think it's so important because you guys should never feel alone, because you're not alone. People struggle all the time. Don't get me wrong, I'm doing good, but I'm still struggling. Like, I'm still having a hard time, but I'm doing so much better because I've been pushing through and I've been working on myself. And this time last year, it would have been a completely different story. And yeah, I've just been keeping myself distracted when I do feel really upset, and trying to surround myself with people who give me bad bitch energy, and it's worked really well. Sorry for such a short update. I might make an entire video on like college and mental health very soon. I'm just feeling like it. So if you guys want to see that, please let me know. I love you guys with all of my heart, and I'll see you guys later this week or next week in another video. Peace out, guys.